Jack Dorsey just sent a shockwave through the tech world, and it's a massive wake-up call for every IT professional. His company, Block, the powerhouse behind Square and Cash App, just laid off over 4,000 people in a single day. That is nearly half of their entire workforce. Now, you might think the company is in trouble, but it's actually the opposite. Block's gross profit is surging, up 17% to over $10 billion. So why fire half the staff? The reason is one word: Goose. Goose is Block's internal AI intelligence tool. Dorsey explicitly told investors that intelligence tools have changed what it means to build and run a company. He believes a significantly smaller team, powered by these AI agents, can actually do more and do it better than a massive manual workforce. His new mantra: 100 people plus AI equals 1,000 people. He also addressed the how and the why of the firing process. Dorsey refused to do rolling layoffs because he believes firing people bit by bit destroys the morale of those who stay. He chose to do it all at once, to take a hard, clear action and move forward. To be fair, the exit package is significant. Those affected are receiving 20 weeks of salary, an extra week for every year of service, 6 months of health insurance, and a $5,000 transition payment. But here's the part that should worry us. Dorsey says most other companies are late to this realization and expects the rest of the industry to follow suit immediately. So, is AI really starting to ruin our jobs, or is it just forcing us to become AI orchestrators to survive? If a billionaire CEO can run a global bank with half the staff using a tool called Goose, the safe IT job might be a thing of the past. What's your take? Is this efficiency, or is it the beginning of the end for the traditional tech career?